How to use SEO secrets to explode your sales. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about SEO. I'm going to make it so simple, so easy to understand that you're going to want to just jump right into SEO and start making money, and you're going to be able to, because I'm going to tell you what to do. Okay, don't forget also, before we get started, to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there, turn it from red to gray, and don't forget to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every single time I go live or I upload a video. Okay, and at the end of this video I've got a free course. All you gotta do is click and learn, 100% free, doesn't cost you anything at all, so you're going to want to check that out. So the first thing we want to do is kind of think about, what is SEO? Search engine optimization. Okay, so let's talk about what SEO really is. SEO is a form of bringing back results to somebody who's searching online. So when they type in the search bar whatever they're looking for, they can get a bunch of related results to what they were looking for and not have to sort through a whole bunch of other stuff. Now, business owners historically have not liked SEO. They have said, oh my gosh, SEO is holding me back, my page won't rank, I can't get it up there. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually use that to your advantage. It's actually very advantageous to understand SEO and implement it on your site and your pages. And in this video, by the time we get to the end of it, you're going to know how to do it, and you're going to say, you know what, SEO is probably my friend. Now let's talk about how SEO works. Every single search engine has developed their own algorithm, their own way of bringing back search results. Now some of them are better than others, right? Well, a lot of us use Google, right? Google is one of the biggest search engines out there, and I think it's because they figured out how to bring back more relevant results to the searcher. The more relevant the results are, the happier you are if you're searching online, right? If you type in a particular subject and you find exactly what you're looking for very quickly, you're going to be satisfied. So that's all search engines are really trying to do, and I want you to understand they're on your side. Okay, if you have exactly what somebody wants and you optimize that page, it's gonna show up and people will go to your product and you're going to be successful. It really is that simple. Now, why should you care about SEO? Okay, it's time to be blunt. If you don't rank on the first page, the odds of you ever getting clicked on the second page are almost zero. So it is very, very important to understand SEO. It's very important to be able to rank on SEO. Once you get the concept of this, you will be wildly successful. It's the truth that algorithms are secret. Okay, no search engine publishes their algorithm and lets you know exactly what they're doing. However, with enough experience, with enough years of the internet, which we've now had, we pretty much know what works and what doesn't work. So in this video I'm going to walk you through all those steps so you have those tools at your disposal. Now I want you to think about keywords. Keywords are those words that match up to what somebody types into a search engine, and that search engine could be Google, it also could be Amazon, it could be Etsy, it could be eBay, but those words match up to what people are typing in, then your results come up in the search engine. So the next part comes up is, how do you find these keywords? And the first way is your own brain. Okay, what if you were searching for your particular product, if you were searching for your particular service, what would you type in the search engine? And you can start with your own brain with, what would you type in? What would you do? Number two is the search engine itself. If you notice in any search engine, as soon as you start putting words in there, it does an autofill. It says, you know, do you mean this, or could it be this? And it starts to try to figure out what you're searching for. Those are great keys, those are great terms, those are great long tail keywords. And when I say long tail, several words that you can use on your page to rank for that particular product. So that's the next thing you want to look at, is the actual search engine autofill to see what they're saying. Number three, there's third-party tools. Okay, there's keywords everywhere. There is, you know, Google AdWords. There's all kinds of different tools you can use out there that you can use to figure out what your SEO keywords are. So you can use those third-party tools also. Number four, Heck, ask your customers, okay, what is it when you're searching for a product like mine? What are you searching for? What are the keywords you're searching for? We're trying to optimize our pages and make it easier for you to find our products. What keywords would you use? Actually go out there and talk to people. This works incredibly well and most people never do it. Now the next question I get asked is, does Facebook use keywords? And the short answer is no. Okay, they don't. However, they may incorporate that into their algorithm. I don't know for sure, but I know one thing is for sure, is that they will show content that gets interaction, because that's what they want. They will show content that gets likes. They will show content that gets comments. That is the type of stuff they're going to share. They will share content that gets shared. So if a lot of people are sharing your post on Facebook, they're more apt to show it to more people. So Facebook is kind of a different animal. The next question is, does Etsy use SEO? Oh my gosh, yes. 100%. They definitely use SEO. If you have a nice clean posting on Etsy and you have the right keywords in there and the right search terms in there, you will definitely rank on Etsy. So if you're on Etsy and you're trying to sell products, yes, keywords are going to be tremendously important to you. The next question I get is, does Amazon use keywords? 100%. Yes, they do use keywords. They incorporate them a little bit more differently though. What's going to happen on Amazon is, if you get some of the right keywords and you sell a couple products, bingo, that's what's really going to trigger Amazon. If your product starts selling, they want to sell products. I mean, that is what they do. They sell products. So if you have a product that starts selling, they're going to start showing it to more and more people, and you're going to see your sales climb more and more and more. They also base it on a lot of times on reviews. So try to get reviews on your Amazon products. It's not an easy thing to do, and you don't want to cheat the system there. I see a lot of people trying to cheat the system, but reviews and sales are two of the biggest things that Amazon actually looks at. Next question I get asked is, does Pinterest use SEO? Pinterest does use SEO, and it's very important on Pinterest. However, the images are very important too. So if you have a great image that gets a lot of interaction and you have the right keywords, you're going to crush it on Pinterest. Okay, because Pinterest really is about the pictures, but to find the pictures you got to have the keywords. Next question, since we're on YouTube, does YouTube use keywords? The answer is absolutely yes. They do use it. They use it in titles, they use it in descriptions, they use it in the keywords that you add to your particular video, because I mean their whole goal is to bring back a video that somebody is actually searching for. If they can do that and the customer is happy and they see a video that they were searching for, then they're going to stay on the platform. They're going to watch more videos. If they watch more videos, guess what? More ads can be run on videos and they can make more money. So absolutely YouTube does use keyword search tools. Next question I get asked is, how does SEO affect my website? It absolutely will affect your website. It's super important to understand these basics of SEO, because if you get these basics down on SEO, if you get the right title, you get the right description for your products or services, doesn't matter what it is, you're going to get traffic to your website. So it is really important to incorporate that on your website too. So in conclusion, SEO is super important, but you know, overall it's pretty simple. It's a pretty simple thing to do. I think a lot of people are intimidated because maybe they have, you know, 500 or 1,000 products on their website and they're like, well, that's just too many products, I just can't do that. When in fact all you have to do is just a little bit. Pick some of your top products, work on those products first. You know, a lot of people say, well, you know, I can't run, I can't do a lot of work, but you tend to ignore how a little bit of work can really add up. So you say, well, I'm not a runner, so I can't run much. But if you only ran 1 mile a day, 1 mile a day, okay, and you did that every day for an entire year, you've run 365 miles. So it's really the small incremental things that you do that are going to make all the difference in the world on your business. I think so many people get overwhelmed, so they do nothing, and nothing will get no results. So almost 100% of the time nothing gets no results. But if you do just a little bit, if you implement some of the things I've taught you in this video, if you add these to your arsenal, you will get more traffic, you will get more sales, you will be more successful, and you're going to be happy with me. And when you're happy with me, do me a favor, post in the comments below, let me know what type of results you got. Maybe you've got questions still about SEO, something you don't understand. put that in the comments below. I love getting your comments. I love getting your questions. I love interacting with you guys. I mean, you guys have really helped me build this channel. I know I started off with nobody, right? Nobody was listening, and now a few people are listening, which is really, really nice. I actually have ads that run on my videos. I get paid on ads, which is nice. You guys opt in for some of the things below. Matter of fact, I have a course below. It's a $97 course. You can get it absolutely free. If you just opt in below, you can grab that course. But I have a lot of people that do that. It builds my list, it builds my following, and I get to help you guys out, and I love doing that. I really do. I enjoy doing these videos and enjoy helping you out. Help me out right now by subscribing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. If it's red, turn it gray. Click it, turn it gray, and then you have to turn on notifications, because just because you subscribe doesn't mean you're going to see my videos or be notified about my videos. You have to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications, so you're notified each and every single time I go live or I upload a video. It will notify you, but you have to do that extra step, so please make sure you do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you don't mind, give me a thumbs up. Just click that thumbs up button down there. That would be really nice. Like I said, I love to get your comments. I love to get your questions, so please put them in down there. I thank you so much for watching this video, and guess what? I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.